My name is Nicholas, I'm 15, and I live in Seattle, Washington. Growing up in Seattle, I've been immersed in technology. When I heard that China stopped taking Seattle's recycling due to contamination, I thought that there must be a way to use technology to prevent this problem. I interviewed Lynn Knopp, an associate at Cascadia Consulting Group, to learn more. I learned that just one piece of miscategorized waste can contaminate an entire load, filling up our landfills and restricting us from the benefits of recycling and composting. We have the technology to sort waste, but it is often inaccurate and is not able to completely categorize waste. This pushed me to want to make change. I noticed that when it came to disposing of items, I lacked the knowledge as to how I should dispose of the item. I tried using online resources, but they often took too long, and I ended up tossing the item in the wrong bin. So I developed Wastify, a working mobile application that instantly recognizes waste and returns the user with the information they need to properly dispose of the item. Wastify makes waste classification simple and fast. All the user needs to do is point their device at an item, and Wastify will be able to classify that item into garbage, recycling, compost, or donation in under half a second. Wastify is able to recognize hundreds of items and give useful output specific to each item. For example, if an item can be donated, it gives the user one-tap directions, calling, and a link to a nearby charity that accepts the item. How did I build the app? I used Swift, Xcode, Python, and JSON to complete this app. The app is comprised of 4 main components: the gyroscope, the machine learning, the JSON, and the user interface. I used the gyroscope to determine when there was an object in front of the camera by looking at a pattern in the values. Then I used Swift to snap a photo and then pass it through an image classifier. Building the image classifier was the hardest part, as it was my first time doing so and it's a relatively new technology. I used transfer learning with Inception on over 1 million images to finally get out an accurate model that can predict items with over a 90% accuracy. After an item is classified, I use JSON to connect it with its correct disposal method. Finally, I update the user interface to get the information to the user. One day, I hope to see my technology making a difference in the world, and I think this is the first step. Thank you.